So I'm amongst you with a very great news, that is finally the thing that we all were waiting for, that is SSBs to reopen so that all of you who have cleared your written examination can go and appear for SSBs. And these have been delayed due to the pandemic situation that was going in the country due to COVID-19. So finally the great news is that AFSBs have again opened. All of you who have given IFCAT 1 2020 and have cleared the same examination can go and appear for the SSBs, and more importantly go and select your dates. AFSB dates, as I told, is announced and the wait is finally over, and we are so relieved with the news. So date selection, first thing first, it will begin on 18th June, that is tomorrow. So please have your phones in your hand at 10 a.m. so that you can select the dates according to your preferability. Whichever date you prefer, just go and select that particular date. अब बात आती है कि एग्जैक्टली डेट कैसे सेलेक्ट करनी है. एंड एक और डाउट जो आता है दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड द डेट, पहले भी की थी, क्या फिर से दोबारा करनी है? येस, यू हैव टू, बिकॉज द डेट्स हैव बीन चेंज्ड. तो पहले जो डेट्स थी वो ऑफ कोर्स 1-2 महीने के अंदर अंदर थी, लेकिन अब अगर हम देखें तो डेट्स जो हैं they are starting from a particular date, that is on 27th of July 2020. So this is the date, the first date of AFSB is 27 July 2020. So what you have to do is that tomorrow at 10 a.m. you have to go and log in into your careerairforce.nic.in. आप ये टाइप करेंगे वेब पे, you'll go on the page and on the right most corner you will find a place जहाँ पर कैंडिडेट लॉग इन करके दिखाता है. You have to click on that and finally log in into your account. अब अकाउंट में लॉग इन कैसे करेंगे? आपके पास पहले की अपनी आईडी होगी एक और पासवर्ड होगा. इन केस आप आईडी पासवर्ड भूल गए, यू कैन गो टू योर जीमेल अकाउंट जिसके थ्रू आपने भरा था, एंड उसमें आप जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो मेल मिल जाएगी जहाँ पर आपका ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड होगा. इन केस यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इट, आप जो नीचे उसमें एक सेक्शन दिखाता है फॉरगॉट आईडी और पासवर्ड, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे एंड यू कैन अगैन रीगेन द पासवर्ड. एक नया पासवर्ड जनरेट होगा, उसके थ्रू आप ओपन कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर ओपनिंग दैट आप आखिरी में देयर विल बी अ प्लेस जहाँ पर सिलेक्ट द डेट्स वाला एक सेक्शन होगा अवेलेबल कल. तो आप उधर जाएंगे और अपनी जो डेट है उसको अपनी मतलब जब भी आप प्रेफर करें उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप उसे सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे. And again, I'm just giving you that particular description, that is, even if you selected the date, you have to again select it. Please keep this thing in mind and don't have this thing in your head कि मैंने पहले select कर रखी है तो मुझे अब select नहीं करनी है. You have to again select your dates. Now, just giving a brief description about you guys, I'm Vishali and I have cleared SSB 5 times in a row, and both for Air Force as well as Army, and I have been guiding the candidates for SSB. So in case you need any help of mine for SSB preparation, please contact me on this particular number. You can either call me or WhatsApp me. I can help you in every way possible, as I have done masters in psych, and that is a great way by which I can help you. And all my various attempts have given me a lot of information, and the second thing being that I am from army background and henceforth I know what all is required. So all of you, be it the freshers or the people who have been getting conference out, don't get demoralized. I will certainly help you in each and every way possible. आप ये ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, इनसाइट SSB ऐप. It is available on Google Play Store, and I have varied courses starting from screening to psychology to interview course, and at very very minimal prices, so that all of you can avail it and get the maximum benefit out of it, and can know how exactly I cleared the SSB. And in the very same way you too can clear the SSB, or you can directly contact me on this number as I told you. All the very best for your SSBs, and please don't wait anymore. Start with your preparation right away. This is the right time. अभी से preparation शुरू करोगे जब ही जाके you will be able to do it on 27 July 2020. जब से start हो जाएंगी dates, उसके बाद तक काफ़ी time तक चलेगी जो dates हैं, तो आप तभी कर पाएंगे अच्छा when you would have prepared yourself in the best possible ways. And more importantly, मैं अब regular basis पे SSB के regarding videos बनाऊंगी कि किस तरीके से आप SSB के जो वेरियस पार्ट्स हैं उन्हें हैंडल करें, आप कहाँ पर लैग कर रहे होंगे, to make you aware about it. And please go and download this particular app, and you will be getting a bundle of answers to all the questions that have been left unanswered, be it your coaching academies, be it your friends, or be it anyone from where you have been taking guidance. I'm here to help you, to guide you, and not to coach you. All the best, guys. Do well.